I'm Vicky, the Carpenter's daughter, and welcome to the first project in a new series, 12 Days of Giftmas, where you can make gifts suggested by you from fly tipping or scrap wood and make something awesome on a budget. And a few of you asked for a kitchen stool, and one of the things out of this fly tipping was a broken chair. And to remove it, I hand sawed it until it was level. Next, I wanted to give this a step stool that I can pull out. Now, I have done this project before entirely from scratch, so you can find some plans below. I also wanted each step to be an equal distance, so I'm working out where my finish line of the top step will be, and cut 2 pieces of plywood that will be the side of the step. But because it's going to pivot on a broom handle, right now I'm working out where the pivot point should be by temporarily screwing it to the sides. If I put the dowel in the wrong place, it's not going to fold away, so just take your time and you'll get there. The bottom back corner was also stopping it from turning around, so I needed to trim those off. Now I'm pilot holing dead centre of my dowel position on each leg. And I've temporarily stuck them to the side so I could drill a dowel hole with a flatwood drill bit in exactly the same position on both legs. Once that's done, I could thread it through and start pre-drilling and screwing on the top piece. Now I'm propping up another piece that will make it more structural, but also I can open it with my foot. And to give it a neater finish, I chamfered the edges with a router. But you can make this as neat or as functional as you would like, or as the person would like. And then stained it to match the rest, slotted the broom handle through, screwed it from the back, hand sawed it flush, and now your family can reach to the top of a cupboard, and hopefully I'll catch you in my next woodworking gift idea.